literally posing for a thumbnail with a box of garbage. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany. My channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. I guess I'll just quickly get it out of the way even though it's obvious. I chopped off all my hair. I'm gonna go through a natural hair journey. My hair is completely destroyed. It was destroyed. I've been straightening it for 15 years and I have no idea what my natural hair looks like. And the ends were just splitting off into a million pieces. So I was like, you know what? Chop it off. Don't use any heat and see where it goes. So that's what this is all about. So this is my new tiny itty bitty hair. Welcome hair to the channel. Let me know down below if you like it. If you don't, that's okay too. Short hair's not for everybody, but I don't mind it. I've had short hair before. So today's video, as I'm sure you gather from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be an exciting one. Another unboxing, which if you've been here before, you know that I love to do unboxings. They're my favorite videos to film, edit, everything. Now welcome the Topo Chico to the video. I'll put him over here. Yeah. Anyway, sorry. Husband brought me in some lunch. What time is it? Later. It's 3. But today's video is going to be my winter FABFITFUN unboxing. You can fit it all in here. Look at how big this box is. Can you even? Sorry if my energy seems low. I just got back from the gym and I'm really tired because I haven't eaten yet. So I'm gonna eat. My food is sitting right there. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna eat the fuck out of that food. If you do not know what FABFITFUN is, it is a seasonal subscription service, kind of like BoxyCharm, which I do a lot of those videos as well. Only this is 4 times a year, and they take, I think it's $50 from your account, but it's 4 times a year, and it's all catered to the season that we're in. So this is the winter one, so it's going to be all wonderful winter things, and I'm so excited. Protein shake, gym, gains. All right, so before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings. I am so excited to do them. They're like my favorite videos to film. So if you like them, again, make sure to subscribe. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway on whatever side and you'll have to be subscribed. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. Do it. And now I think we should just go ahead and get into this box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see everything I got in this season's FABFITFUN box, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the giant box with the magazine on top. This little magazine lets us know everything in the box, how to use it, prices, all that. I usually don't go through it too much because I don't want to know what's in it until I open it. So we're going to set this to the side, but that'll let me give you all the prices. All right, we got a couple little advertisement slips, the discount to HelloFresh, which we always get in these boxes, which I have never used because I make my own food. Okay, and now let's get into the actual items. The first thing I see, I recognize the brand right away. This is the, how do you pronounce that? All right, so this is from the brand, I believe it's pronounced Spongelet, and it says beach grass, which I'm assuming is the scent because it kind of smells a little beachy. And this is like a sponge that has all of the cleanser infused in it. I just recently got one of these from my mother-in-law. She was like, oh my God, Brittany, these are amazing. You have to try it. And I did, and it is amazing, and I do very much like it. The scent was different than this, but I really like it. I just looked through the magazine, and this is not in there for the price, so I'm not sure what that's about. But if I can figure out how much it is, I will put it down in the description box. But I do very much like these, and I'm happy to get it in the box. I find them to be conditioning. I've used mine a bunch of times, and it still has soap in it, so I think they are long-lasting as well. The next item in the box is another item that I'm not seeing in the magazine, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that, because usually, like on the page, they're all there. But this one, again, is not. But this is from the brand Elevate, and it's 2 essential oils, which I'm really excited about. They're in the scent eucalyptus and sweet orange. I was just saying that I want to get a diffuser because this girl at my office is always doing essential oils, and they smell so good. So I was thinking I want to buy a diffuser to put here so that I can smell nice things all the time. You know what I mean? Instead of candles, so I can leave it on at night while I sleep and not accidentally burn my house down. I want to get one with what is that purple flower? Lavender. I want to get one with lavender because that's like my scent at night. So I am excited to get these because I was just talking about getting an oil diffuser. I'm telling you, these subscription services, they know me. All right, the next item in the box is actually in the magazine, so I can actually tell you how much this costs. This is from the brand Black, I think is how you pronounce it, and they are those under eye masks, the little gel pads. This retails for $29, and it has 5 sets in it, which I have so many of these, and I do actually like them, though. I find the ones that I have used do make a difference. They moisturize, kind of smooth out the lines down there. So if I have time, which I'm not going to say I always do because I don't, but if I do, I put them on before makeup and it just smooths everything out, makes it real nice. And 29 bucks is expensive. So I'm happy to never have to buy these myself because they're always in subscription boxes. Okay, the next item in the box retails for $24 and is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is a like pen highlighter, so you can kind of hit the corners of your eyes, things like that. I feel like I've actually had this before. I don't typically love this kind of product because I just use my powder highlighter that I use on the rest of my face on the inner corners, but I have been wanting to try Thrive Cosmetics more, just not particularly this item. But if this was something you were interested in, it is a cool thing to get in the box because $24 is expensive, especially for what it is. So I'll give it a shot, and if I don't like it, I'll pass it along, but it's still cool to get in the box. Okay, the next item in the box is another one that's not in the magazine. I'm gonna have to look into this and find out what happened because so many things in this box are not in the magazine, and I've never experienced that before. So I can't tell you how much they are, which is a little frustrating, but this is from the brand Douce, I think. We've gotten makeup from them before, and this is their Punk Volumizer Mascara. Ooh, the packaging is super cute. I'm going to give it a shot because I love trying new mascaras, and I will put down below if I can figure out how much this costs, because again, it's not in the magazine, but again, I love to get mascara, and this packaging is super cute, so I hope it works well. Based on the products we got in the back, in the past, I'm not especially hopeful. I feel like they're catered more towards mature ladies, which I don't feel to be particularly mature, but it's more of like a soft, simple, subtle look, and I like more of a bold mascara, but I'll try it out. I'll try it out. All right, the next item I am so excited about. It retails for $33, and it's from the brand Ahava, which I've discovered through FABFITFUN and fell absolutely in love with. This is their hydration cream mask. So it's something that you can put on your skin and give yourself some moisture, which I love to have. Let's see. Okay, so you just put it on for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it off. What do you smell like? Sorry if you can hear all of that video game in the living room. My husband is playing COD, like always. I asked him to turn it down. He does not listen. Okay, I can't get this open right now, but I am going to assume it smells great. Every single thing I've ever gotten from Ahava smells amazing, and I just keep buying their stuff ever since discovering them through FABFITFUN. So shout out to FABFITFUN for introducing me to a skincare brand that I love. Take a quick little Topo Chico break. Addicted to these. Okay, the next item I have is an expensive one. Well, it's expensive to me for what it is. Look at that. You can tell by the packaging that it's expensive. Like, what? Bougie. This is from the brand Oribe, and it is their Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. So this is the bottle here, and this bottle of dry shampoo retails for $44. As I am a Batiste ass bitch, this is crazy to me, but I'm excited to try it. It better make my hair grow and solve all my problems, make it grow healthy and strong and beautiful, and make my hair journey that much better, because $44 for dry shampoo, it better have something special, because Batiste works just fine, you know what I mean? But it's still pretty cool to get in the box. It's never something that I would ever buy myself, so I'm excited to try it. And that's kind of what I like these kind of subscription boxes for. These are items I would never go out and buy, with the exception so far of the Ahava skincare brand, because $44. What? Okay, the next item in the box is this right here. Such a freaking winter item. Yes. This here is from the brand Mark and Graham, and it is a throw blanket that retails for $49. This is why I don't buy blankets for my house. Like, my couch, I want blankets that all match to put all over it, but they're expensive, so I don't. Now I'm so happy to have this one. It feels nice and soft. I want to open it now and wrap it around myself. It is actually a cold day in LA for once ever, and I could use this right now. So this is it here. It is, you know, the kind of shade that I'm going to get dirty immediately. That's who I am as a person. Okay, let's just wrap myself on up. That is a nice, light, thin blanket. I'm feeling very good. I like it. I like it a lot. And for $49, thank you for sending it to me, because again, I would never buy it. And that's the price of the entire box. So I mean, I guess if you did need a blanket and you were willing to spend $50, this covers the entire box, and everything else is free. So, okay, we only have 2 items left. Let's go. The next item is a hair item. It is from the Moroccan Gold series, and it is the treatment mask, intense care for dry and damaged hair. I put this in the cart when I was still considering, or put this in the cart sometimes you're able to choose certain items in FabFitFun, and I chose this one specifically because I was thinking of trying to salvage my long hair, but I mean, there's nothing that can really be done when your ends are splitting in 5 different directions. That's just the truth. Anything that says that it does something about it doesn't, so just don't listen to it. But I got this to try to help my hair, and either way, even though it's short, I still want it to be super soft, so let's smell it. And by the way, this retails for $49. Every time I say that price for something, I'm just like, ooh, that smells like a man. And I don't know about you, but I love it. I like to wear guys' deodorant. Don't judge me, but I do. I like the smell of dude stuff. You know what I'm talking about. So, again, this retails for $49, and it's an intense treatment mask. I will use it and update you if you want to be updated. Let me know down below if you care about being updated about any of this stuff, because I'll totally do it. I don't know what people want. No one likes to send out a comment. No one likes to give a thumbs up. I don't really understand. Well, okay, I do understand it, because before I was on YouTube, I never did any of that stuff. But now that I am on YouTube, I do it on everybody's thing. Like if I like their video, or I always comment, I always thumbs up. That's what I do, because I know now why it's important. But I understand that if you're just watching it, you don't, it's not the same situation. But just so you know, it does help a lot for anybody. So if you like this, thumbs it up and comment down below. It helps me out a lot. All right, and the last item is another one I was able to choose, and I went the bougie route, because this is one of those things that I would never, ever, ever, even if it was $10, I wouldn't buy it for myself, because, I don't know, it's just not something I would buy, but it's something that I'm curious about, because I've seen Tati use them. So it is a jade roller. So it's one of those rollers that you roll on your face, and it's supposed to stimulate something. I really don't know what it does, but she swears by hers. This retails for $45, and you're literally just supposed to like roll it on your face, and it's supposed to help you relax and like stimulate goodness in your skin. Ooh, it is nice and cold, so it actually does feel really nice. I don't know what it's for, but I'm going to do it and see how it goes, and I'm going to do some research on it and understand why I'm using this. But when I saw it as an option, I was like, it was like this or an eyeshadow palette, and I don't know if you've seen the video, I'll link it up here, but I have like a million eyeshadow palettes, so I figure why not try something new instead of another freaking warm tone eyeshadow palette. All right, guys, so that was everything I got in this season's FabFitFun box. I would tell you right now the overall value of the box, but there was something weird going on with this one, and all the items were not in it. So what I'll do is try to figure it out to the best of my ability and put it down below, but usually it's up in like the $200 to $300 range, and you pay $50. So it's definitely worth it if this is something that appeals to you, and these are the types of items that you want to have that you don't normally buy. I would highly suggest the subscription service. This one and BoxyCharm are my 2 favorites. Ooh, speaking of which, I did finally get off the waiting list for BoxyLuxe, so that's going to be coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. Join the Brat Pack. I will say again, I'm going to start to say that. I feel weird saying it, but I've been told that that's a cute name for you guys, so whatever. But if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe so you can come back and see that. Again, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what other types of videos you would like to see from me. I would be happy to do them, and let me know if you want any updates on any of these items. Let me know if you love Topo Chico as much as I love Topo Chico. And I think that's going to be everything. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I know you could be watching anyone or just like not on YouTube altogether. So I'm very thankful to have you here. And if you are still watching videos, why don't you click on one of these over here? These are videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe again, because I didn't give you enough ways to do that. One more reminder. And again, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.